Yeah, I don't know, you must have to like go down or something to get over there?
Yeah, maybe. Or like ledge access and then...
Yeah.
All right, first time climbing in North Carolina. That looks good.
Yep,
this looks good.
scanning.
All right. Everything is wet. Ooh, that mantle is a little spicy actually. I'm just like, I feel like I'm climbing on a bar of soap. Let's go climb some wet slab. What is happening? I mean, if this was dry, it would have been alright. Heading right over there. Truck's just essentially gone. That's trash. That's something. I literally can't step on it. Oh boy. I literally can't put any weight on any of this.
You're somewhere to the left.
This guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're in the left further.
Keep
Too far left.
me a little tight here, eh?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, this is such trash. I'm literally sliding off of this little thing as I stand on it. Let's try it. This would all be fantastic if it was dry. All right, well.
You're black.
Yep. Dude, what the actual sample? Okay. Yes, it's already a lot drier. What kind of rock this is?
I don't know.
Some sort of metamorphic. Dude, the next bolt is so high. Maybe. There's a crack that could have taken some gear. Yeah, but... I'm just gonna pull through when I can. Easy climbing, he says. Yeah. Lucky us, we get some holds up here. No, dude, with stretch, there's no way. That's a ground fall for sure. Yeah. It'd be better than limestone. What are we holding on to? Yeah, but it looks super chill after this. Yeah, it is dry. There's that move, the reach. All right. All right. Come again? 9 Donka. Oh. I mean, didn't get the on-site. I'm kind of pulling on some stuff. But cut me some slack. It was super wet. What do you think? Roast me in the comments. I'm gonna set this up with somebody else's gear.